will explain about the materialist congratulation, hope, and wish. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Datul Jannah. I'm from class 9-1. My serial number is 25, and I study at 25 Junior High School of Makassar, academic year 2022 and 2023. So let's go to the material. Definition of correlation. So guys, do you know what is correlation? Okay, definition is expression of correlation used by people to express about happiness, birthday, fortune, wedding, anniversary, graduation, and wedding anniversary of the competition. Kinds of correlation. For example, 1. Birthday correlation, 2. Wedding correlation, 3. Anniversary correlation, 4. Winning the competition, 5. Newborn, 6. Nice traveling, and 7. New Year. Example of correlation. How to expression of correlation? Okay, you can say correlation on your birthday, correlation on your success, correlation on your best student. I must say correlation you on your wedding. It's time for me to say congratulate you on your wedding. Okay, how to respond of congratulation? You can say thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, not really. Oh, actually it's nothing special. Thanks, but I still learn more. Okay, next definition. An example expression of hope. So guys, do you know what is hope? Okay, hope used to talk about that a condition or situation has the possibility of happening in the future. Example expression. You can say, I hope I get on a score. I hope to see you again sometime. She hopes to be a successful business owner. We all hope for the best, and I hope not. Okay, definition and example expression of wish. So guys, do you know what is wish? Wish is used to talk about a situation that we want, but wish is the opposite of the current reality or the impossible. Example expression. Okay, you can say, I wish you luck. Wish you have a good day. I wish you a great life. I wish a lot of money. My good bless you. Conclusion. Expression of congratulations are words or expression addressed to someone for their luck or happiness and achievement. Okay, next, hope or wish is an expression or someone's speech that is used to express about prayer, hope or desire to be better, and the ideals or wish or expectation come true. Okay, the material is done, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you can understand about the materials congratulation, hope, and wish. So, see you next time guys.